You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to say the name of this delicious Italian dish and more Italian food names that many mispronounce. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Spinach, you already knew that. Manicotti is how it's said in Italian. It says on the cot syllable and the double T. Manicotti, or in English, spinach manicotti. Spinach manicotti. And now you know. More videos to learn more correct pronunciations here from Italian of things that many get wrong. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. It helps me a lot. Arrivederci. Grazie mille. Ciao ciao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.